Students, now in this session, I will explain question number 2, 3 and 4 of exercise 8.2, chapter 8, decimals. Now in question number 2, what you have to do, you have to write the numbers. See, this box is already there in the book, okay, and all the numbers are also printed. Fine. So we'll do one by one. So what exactly you have to do? So it is said in the question that write the numbers given in the following place values. These are all the place values are given, students. Okay, table in the decimal form. Now what is question number 1 is given. Let me write it for you. 003250. So 003250. Now this is a number which is given, and this number you have to write it in the decimal form. Fine. So number A, the decimal form would be what? See, in the 100 position, no 100 is there, 0 100. In tens position, 0 tens. But in ones position, we have what? 3 ones. So what we have to do? 3 into 1. Then we'll put plus sign. How many tens are given? 2 tenths. That means we have to write it like this, 2 by 10th. Understood? Plus 500. That means 5 by 100. And 0,000. 0,000. 0,000 means 0 by 1000. Okay. Now this you have to write it in the decimal form. So 3 ones are 3. 2 by 10 decimal form is what? 0.2. 5 by 100 means what? 0.05. And 0, it's not necessary that you have to write 0 only. So it's not required. Fine, you can write 0. Straight away you can write 0, no problem with that. Now if you add this, students, what is the answer that you will get? That is, see, 3.0, 0.2, 0.005. Now if you add this, you will get the answer as 0.25. So this is your required answer. Now if you carefully observe, see, this is ones, 3 ones, see, 3 ones. Now from here the decimal starts, 10th. Fine. From this position, from here, if you proceed towards the right hand side, from here the decimal point will start. Fine. That is 0.250. Okay, because from 10th we know that we divide the digit by 10. Okay, so now we can do all the other sums very easily. We do not have to take this long route. Okay, so number B is what? 1026 1026 and 30 is given. So this time we have 100 is there. So number B will write 1. How many tens we are having? 0 tens. How many ones we are having? 2. So this is 102. Okay, now what did I say? From here the decimal will start, so we will put point. Now how many tenths are there? 6. How many hundredths are there? 3. And how many thousands are there? 0. So this is a required decimal form of sum number B. I hope all of you are understanding. Fine. Now number C, 0 300 20025 is there. Now let's write the decimal form of sum number C. So sum number C, we have 0 100, so it's not required to write 0 100 because it's no value actually. This 0 has no value. Now how many tens are there? 3, so we'll write 3 here. Then how many ones are there? 0, so we'll write 0 here. Then from here we'll start point. Okay, so we'll give point from here onwards. Now how many tenths are there? 0. How many hundreds are there? 2. And how many thousands are there? 5. Okay, so this is the decimal form of sum number C. Now let's do sum number D. So what is sum number D given? 211902. 211902. This is the required number given. So how many hundreds are given? 2. So we'll write 2. How many tens are given? 1. How many ones are given? 1. From here we'll give decimal. So put one decimal here. Now how many tenths are there? 9. How many zeros are there? How many hundreds are there? 0. And how many thousands are there? 2. So this is the required decimal form of sum number D. Now let's do sum number E. 0, 1, 2, 2, 4, 1. 0, 1, 2, 2, 4, 1. Okay, now number E. Okay, now E, how many hundreds we have? 0. So no need of writing. How many tens we are having? 1. So you will write 1. How many ones we have? 2. Now here we'll put decimal. How many tenths we are having? 2. How many hundreds we are having? 4. And how many thousands we are having? 1. Okay students, now this is the required solution of sum question number 2. I hope all of you have understood. Now let's move on to sum number 3. 3 is just the opposite of question number 2. Now in question number 3, now in question number 3, what we have to do? We have to write the following decimals. See, this is question number, sum number A I have written. You have to write the following decimals in the place value table. So again you have to draw this table, students, and you have to write all these decimal numbers in the place value table. Fine. So for that you have to know the place value of all the digits. Accordingly you have to put all the digits. Okay. So what is the place value of 0? The place value of 0 is ones, isn't it? What is the place value of 2? It is tenth. And what is the place value of 9? It is 100, isn't it? So this is how you decide where to put all this number. So 0 will be put under ones column. So here we put 2. The place value of 2 is what? 10th. So you will write 2 under 10th column. And what is 9? 100. So you will write it here. So this is how you will place all the decimal number in the place value chart. Okay. Now let's do sum number B. So what we have in sum number B? 2.08. 2.08. Now again you have to know the place value of all the digits. That is, what is the place value of 2? Ones. So we'll put it under ones only. What is the place value of 0? 10th. So we'll put it under 10th column. Now what is the place value of 8? 100. So we'll put it here. So easy, isn't it? Now what is sum number C? Sum number C we have 19.60 students. 19.60. Now first of all we'll start from the extreme left. Okay, that is, what is the place value of 1? Tens, isn't it? Place value of 1 is tens. So now we'll put 1 under 10th column, tens column. What is the place value of 9? Ones. So we'll put it under ones column. Fine. What is the place value of 6? 10th. What is the place value of 0? 100. Okay. These are very, very easy, students. Now what is sum number D? Sum number D we have 148.32. 148.32. Now let's start from the extreme left. What is the place value of 100? So we'll place it under 100 column. Now what is the place value of 4? Tens. We'll put it under tens. What is the place value of 8? Ones. So we'll put it here. What is the place value of 3? That is 10th. So we'll put it under 10th. And what is the place value of 2? Place value of 2 is 100th. Okay, now let's do number E. Number E is what? 200.812. 200.812. So what is the place value of 2, students? 100. So we'll put it under 100 column. Yes. What is the place value of 0? Tens. What is the place value of this 0? Ones. What is the place value of 8? Tenth. Absolutely. What is the place value of 1? 100. And what is the place value of 2? This is 1000. Okay, now this is a required solution of question number 3. I hope all of you have understood. Now let's move on to sum number 4. In question number 4, you have to write each of the following as decimals. That is, it is given in the expanded form. You have to convert it into the decimal form. Fine. So what we have to do? First of all, we'll add these two numbers. That is 20 plus 9 is 29. Fine. Now how to write the decimal form of 4 by 10? We have learned this. So 4 by 10 means 0.4, isn't it? And what is the decimal form of 1 by 100? It is 0.01, isn't it? Now we'll add all those three numbers, students. That means 29.00, 0.4 and 0.01. So now we'll add this. So it will be 29.41. So your answer is 29.41. This is how exactly you have to do. Fine. So let's do sum number B also. So what is sum number B given? 137 plus 5 by 100. So 137 plus 5 upon 100. Now 137 you will write it again. Now you convert this fractional form to a decimal form. So when we have two zeros, how to write? That means 0.05. Okay, now you will add this 137.00, 0.05, that would be 137.05. So it is your required answer, students. Now let's move on to sum number C. So sum number C, we have 7 by 10 plus 6 by 100 plus 4 by 1000. So how to write the decimal form of 7 by 10? It will be 0.7. What will be the decimal form of 6 by 100? It would be 0.06. What would be the decimal form of 4 by 1000? It will be 0.004. Fine. Now how to add it? 0.7, 0.06. So we have to put 1 0 here. And 0.004. So we have to put 2 zeros here. Now just add it. 0, give decimal here, 7, 6 and then 4. So your required answer is 0.764. Okay. Now let's do sum number D. What is sum number D given? 23 plus, just a minute students, plus 2 by 10 plus 6 by 1000. 6 by 1000 is given. Now what we have to do? 23 plus 2 by 10 can be written as 0.2 and 6 by 1000 can be written as 0.006, isn't it? Now how to write? Now you have to add it. So 0.2 and this 0.006. So if you add this, what answer will get? 23.206. So this is your required answer, students. So, and the last sum, that is sum number E, try it on yourself. Okay. So that's it for this session, students. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Take care and stay blessed.